Hi friends, now guys in the tutorial you can see that the background of our photo and its ratio would be changed. I have to choose that 3 ratio 2 for the pictures and now I have to change its background like that. So these are the beautiful woman day backgrounds which I have to put on the pictures like that. So guys, the woman day backgrounds have been applied